welcome to my channel. It's me, Sahasra, and today we're going to be making slime! Yay! The things we'll be needing are 1 cup of glue, some contact lens solution, a teaspoon of baking soda, a spoon, a bowl, and these 2 ingredients are optional, food dye and water. Let's get started. First, you're going to take your glue. Let's open the glue up and we're going to pour it inside. Okay. Now I'm going to be pouring that into my bowl. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Remember, use baking soda, not baking powder. People get that confused sometimes. Gonna add that in. And now you're gonna add, if you want, you could just add some water. Just a little bit of water. Oops. And a little bit of food dye. Ooh. Add about a couple of drops in. I think that's good. You're gonna mix in all your food dye in, and finally it's mixed. Now we have to add the contact lens solution. Where's my teaspoon? There it is. This is not eye drops, it's actually like contact lens. I'm gonna add that in. I'm gonna mix that up. Ooh. Slimy. It starts to look like a little stringy, but that's fine. Let's mix it up. Yeah. And now I'm going to add another teaspoon of contact lens. Okay. Pour that in. And let's mix it up. It should start to get a little hard to mix with your spoon, and that's when you go in with your hands. This part's a little messy, so be careful. Okay. Now you're gonna start just kneading. Be careful not to get it on your outfit. Your mom's gonna get mad, very mad. Okay, so this is the final product. At the end, I had to add a little bit of contact lens solution because it was a little sticky. Well, I'm just going to clean up. Bye, guys. Well, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.